welcome back to the channel. Finally, after what? I don't even know. When's the last time I made a full-fledged long video? It was about a year ago, actually. No. Oh, July last year. So, pretty much, I finally sold my Jag, and then I decided to get a new daily, and well, this is it. I decided to finally back the bullet and get a BMW. So, this is my 2002 BMW 325i E46 touring. This is my first BMW, which I think is quite a good one to get into. E46. E46. People love E46s, so I want to get into it, I reckon. Let's see. 325i. These are this is a 2.5 straight six, about 192 brake horsepower, about 200 and something newton meters of torque. Not a lot, not really much that you need. Obviously rear wheel drive. Obviously the most important thing about E46 touring, split tailgate, which works. This car has got a tow hitch, which you did see, and also the new number plates that I need to put on. This car is immaculate inside, it's really nice. It's got full service history, owner's manual, service book, it's got the lot. I just decided that I really like old cars, and even though I love the Jag and it's probably the best daily I've ever owned, I know I needed something else, and I was talking about E46s with someone at work, and then literally that day I noticed this for sale. So this is pretty much our next project on the channel, which is, you know, this old BMW. It needs stuff. It needs a bit of love. I got it for a good price, to be fair. Not a lot wrong with it. I'll give you a quick look inside before we go around and show the negatives. So this is, actually I didn't mention that, this is a factory sport. Not M Sport, because it wasn't M Sport back then, as I've been told. So factory sport, better splitter, better front bumper size splitters, bit of better rear bumper, and then obviously M Sport wheels. I've been told these might be off a slightly later one, but I wouldn't know, because I know fuck all about BMWs. Factory M Sport wheel, which is in good condition, and it's very nice. Dash in good condition. Overall, the interior is in a very, very, very good condition for its age. It's been 2002, apart from like all these little marks, bit of a crack there, some mess in there. But apart from that, no one's been smoked. It's a non-smoker car, as you can tell, because the ashtrays are all clean. In there is all good. I mean, it does have scratches there, like someone's phone's been sat rubbing. Little cubby hole. No copyright. No pixels on the screen, which is good. Same with the aircon. Yeah, so it's going to have stuff doing. It's a project car as well as a daily. It's going to be, because it's all BMW, always needs stuff. Which, to be fair, being underneath this car, no oil leaks, which is very surprising. It's got new steering rack, new steering column, bits and bobs. Right, and you see here, these wheels are in desperate need of refurb. And there's a little bit of rust on the on the front wing, which is expected with an old Beamer, as well as the indicator is slightly yellowed. But this car has got Michelin Passport 4S's all the way around. Not the owner for me here had it for like a year. I'm the fourth owner of this car. The second owner had this car for almost 23 years, and he got full service history, which I'll show, and loads of paperwork for work got done. The front, the camera looked fine on the camera. Actually, the camera showed me what these were going to look like. Oh, look at that. In person, these do need polish. Can't really tell. Most important thing, silver, chrome, kinty grills, not shit your back ones. Don't chaff your car out. Also, the BMW badge definitely being replaced at some point, because there's no way that's in that good condition. The bonnet itself, good condition. The paint on the bonnet's immaculate. Probably been painted at some point in its life, let's be honest. That light needs doing. Number plate, which I want to change. And in the front left indicator, there is water, paint, lacquer spots. But actually, there's no rust in this wing. Might be. And there's a little bit of a tiny hint of a bubble. There's a bit of a bubble there, but this wing's got plenty of life left in it. And the same as the other side. This indicator's yellow. But this wheel's in good condition. It has got a new caliper, which is a good thing. So yeah, this side is the rough side. The other side's not bad. Then here, which I can't ignore. This is fine, and then there's paint missing. And on the inside, on the sill, sorry, at rust. It's E46. There's a bit of trim here missing. Need to figure this out and replace it. Obviously, roof bars, rear left quarter and a half. Oh, it needs a whole quarter. I'll get into that. Here's lack of peel there. This wheel's a bit rough, bit of rust there. And then we get to the bad bit. It's E46. Of course, it's got rusty rear arches. Bumper here, paint came off. It has got worse since I had it. I feel like it got clean. When it got cleaned, a minute worse. And then there. And then we get to the really bad bit. As you can see, she's got a nice rusty bit here. And it's almost like someone's fillering. It's like putty, it's not even filler to fill the hole in. I think this whole rear bit's been painted at someone that's had a bit of a scrape or bash. You can tell the paint quality is shit, and that's why it's peeling. So this is the only major bit of concern, realistically. So you've got a tow hitch, standard exhaust, which I'll put sound clip in now. So, boot opens, struts are good, probably being replaced. Definitely needs a clean. It will suffer a little bit in London. I did buy this from London. And the screen was spot here was quite funny. Don't know what that's for. Needs clean for opener. The right is in good condition considering it's a 23-year-old car. Apart from a bit of rust here, and this needs a good clean, and this keeps sticking. I'm going to buy a new one of these off eBay. Back seats. I'm smart. That nice. Also, that's what I was about. A tiny bit there on off the driver's side, the start, passenger rear left as well. I'll flat that off clean and put some rust neutralizer, and hopefully that helps it. Some little stuff here. But these back seats are like brand new. I've actually been in the back here yet. So imagine it's just ooh. And then surely you can pop that again somehow so you can bring that through, which I've not done. So storage compartment, that's quite cool. So that. What's in here? Hey, cup holders, because it doesn't fucking have any. So that's actually quite surprising. Go fuck yourself. Smooth, didn't even skip a beat. This car is only on 111,000 miles. It is a 5-speed manual and sport. This need replacing, but these are expensive, so I don't really want to. Like here, if you know, you know. So this needs a bit of adjustment because that did not want to open. But anyway, we'll get around to that. This is in good condition considering how old the car is. It's a bit warm, very warm. Surprisingly warm on the top. Look at that, BMW. So this is a M52. I will put that on the screen, but I will not. This is 2.5 straight 6, 192 horsepower. There's your filter, there's your power steering, air filter. Everything's quite easy. Axle, ABS pump with your fluids, pollen filter, strut towers. Pretty easy to get to. You need to put power to your battery. There's a terminal, positive terminal, and then there'll be a ground somewhere. This is a proper BMW. It's a straight 6. Like, what more do you want? These ones I don't know much about. The 192 brake. I don't know anything about the cams. What different cams it is. Someone to let me know. Feel free. I think I had a full major service because I've been underneath, have a look, see what bits are like underneath already. I've checked the boot floor. The boot floor's fine. Actually, underneath. I should get next time I get a picture. I'll show you next time I can show you. I'll show you. Underneath is actually quite good, surprisingly. This is loose and broke and needs replacing and needs to go back to black, which we'll sort out at some point. So we need all some more bits. So this is what we need to do so far. coolant. It's got the wrong coolant in it. Maybe blue is wrong. That power steering's got the wrong power steering in it. That needs changing. Has a full service and everything. I'll probably do my own oil service at least, just for my own well-being. The diesel valve is fine, in good condition. There's no vacuum leaks. Everything's running fine. Like, it's in good condition, this car. Aircon does not work, so I'll have to do a vacuum test on that at some point. It needs coilovers all the way around, because that's if I'm doing. The suspension's getting coilovers. It needs its light speed polishing. It needs the right fluids putting in it. It needs that rear arch doing. It needs all four wheels refurb, as well as, what's it, 10 mil spacers and 10 and 15, I reckon. Yeah, we'll go 10 and 15. I think 10 and 15 will look good. Needs his arch doing. Probably gonna have to get it cut. Rear bumper repainted. Black trims back to black. That bit fixed. This is Trudy, by the way. Trudy the Touring. Trudy Touring. I thought it was a fitting name. It's the new daily. Not really much else I can say. I am shit at these videos. I will get better. I do promise. I will try. Check out my TikTok to find short form content and look at YouTube shorts if you want to watch the mechanical restoration, because I know nothing about BMWs and I need education. Tell me what I need to do, what I should look out for. Obviously I know about the boot floor. Is it E46? I know about the boot floor. I've already stressed about this. Oh, I just forgot. It needs re-handbrake shoes because the handbrake does not work. So I need to rebuild the whole shoes, which should be in the next video. I will show that if I can. No promises. Quick channel update really. So my Cooper will be coming back, hopefully track day soon, and we'll go on an adventure in it. She needs a good running. The Cooper's called Selena, I also forgot that. The Megane 225 is only run shorts. So I do it on TikTok. Trying to grow the channel with shorts on TikTok, and that's the build for that. So if you want to see that, that's a big restoration. Like, restoring that's going to take a long time. This is going to be another build, like I said, Bilstein, probably, or BCs. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave comments, and I'll see you again shortly.